So, choosing your investment strategy. Well, there's no one-size-fits-all approach towards investing into property, really. And I'd say that one of the most critical things, and you may have heard me already say this a number of times, is don't think with your heart. Use your head, use the data. There's no room in any form of investing for sentiment, and what's right for a friend of yours or even a family member of yours may not suit your aims and objectives as a property investor. Some of the things that we need to think about really are: how much time can you dedicate to your property investment? Is this something that you really want as a passive form of income? Are you based abroad? Do you have the ability to go and see a property? For many people, the answer to this question is simply no. I know as an investor personally, I'm pretty lazy with my property investments, and actually I don't really want to do much in the way of management. I prefer to have an income that hits the bank account every month and ticks over pretty nicely. However, I have friends that actually want to be very involved with the property, almost to the point where they're happy to get involved with refurbs, adding value. For me, I've never been much of much good at manual labour, so it doesn't really make sense for me to want to be involved in that kind of a process. So I suppose we need to be thinking about how much time you can dedicate. Often we can see different types of strategies in the form of high risk, high reward. Buying a wreck is, doing it up is one thing where we might be able to acquire a property for significantly below what you might be able to sell a property for in the market. But of course, there's risks of things going wrong, finding asbestos, to name just a brief example. Does lower risk equal lower returns? Well, to a certain extent, yes. But again, it's about balancing that with the level of effort and achievement that you want. Again, there's no right strategy for everyone, and our consultants will certainly help you to find the right strategy. For a more hands-off investor, much as myself, a new build right now might be a very interesting proposition, perhaps with a lettings agent if you're not local to the property. If it's your hobby or you want to get much more involved, then maybe a refurb or a flip might be ideal for you. No one size fits all. Find what return you're happy with, balance that with the level of effort that you're likely to make, and that's likely to be an ideal strategy for you.